Hey everyone, SEMO-MAC here again. I'm gonna give you another review because I just had some stuff just come in. But before I do that, if you have not liked, shared, subscribed, give a comment, I need you to do so, please. Especially follow me. If you like the stuff that I do, subscribe to my channel. You can also catch me out on, I just now started on TikTok. I also have a Facebook page that or actually not a page, it's a Facebook group off of my personal page. But I actually do some daily deals and stuff like that on there. So it's a little bit of everything. But yeah, I'm growing. I'm getting out there. So y'all can see this smiling face as much as you can. So, well, with that being said, this is going to be a really cool video because my wife just came out here and said, hey, you got something that just came in. And I'm going to open these with you. But I do know they are from Cvlife. Cvlife, at the beginning of the week, reached out to me and asked if I would do a review. And I said, sure, send me something. So they didn't send me one, but they actually sent me 2 knives to review. And that's what we are going to do. So let's see what we got. Okay, and I know exactly what these are. At least I know what this one is. And this one, I have been eyeing this joker, and it is what I think it is. And yes, it is. It is a beauty. Wow. So this, y'all, is Cvlife's what they call their Damascus pocket knife. And I want y'all to look at this. Look at that blade. Yeah, let's see if I can. It is awesome. Get that light to hit it. But yeah, I mean, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that Damascus on there. That's sweet. Guys, this video is not doing this justice. I mean, look at that. That is beautiful. Wow. I'm sorry, I just gotta see what this one, if this is. Yes. 1 second here. I'm nerding out right now. I'm sorry. I'm literally nerding out because I did not think they would do this. Not only do they make the Damascus folding knife in black. Oh, it's in there. They also make it in the white. Look at that. Jeez, that is beautiful. You got the CV logo. Oh my God, this does not do this knife justice. That is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I've got knife porn going on right now, guys. It's amazing. Look at this. I got twins. Well, kind of, you know, yin and yang. Let's do it this way. There we go. I got yin and yang of Cvlife Damascus pocket knives. Freaking awesome day. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We have duplicates and I love them. And now we are going to talk about them. Yes, we are. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. Excuse me, I gotta get a drink. Yes, I love pocket knives. I love them. So, I do know about these. And I'm glad that they sent these because I do know about them. Because I've been looking at them for a while. So, this is actually, it is a, I think it's a VG10 core with 66 layers of folded steel. And they do that to give you a good edge retention on these blades and to keep it a razor sharp performance. And we're gonna test it, yeah, because you know I do my paper test and I got my rope test that I do these on, and we will test both of these. And I'm going to close this one right quick. So, yeah. So they, you know, the edge on these are supposed to be really amazing, and we're going to test that out. But yeah, so it's got your 2 ways to deploy. You got your flipper on the back, as you see right there, or you got the thumb right here. I just love using the back flip on these, and that is smooth. That is extremely smooth, and it is smooth because it actually rides on a ceramic pivot on here for the bearing on that. So that was really smooth. Let's try it with the thumb, because sometimes thumbs are hit and miss, especially for me. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, let's do that again, because I like that. Here we go. Oh, I caught it on my finger. But anyway, it does have G10 handles. I didn't think it was, but yeah, they have put some massive texturing on these G10 handles. I actually like it's cool how it's got the hose through there like that. They've claimed that they do this on here for if your hands get wet or muddy. They have actually built this to be a true EDC, even though they are beautiful as all get out, and I would hate to mess up this thing because they are so beautiful. I love Damascus steel, I do. I've never bought any. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I've never bought Damascus steel just because they're so beautiful, and I don't want to mess them up. But you know what? I got 2 of them now, and I'm gonna use them. But back to this. I'm sorry, I'm nerding out, y'all. So yeah, G10 handles. The texture on these are extreme. I mean, they are grippy. They literally, my thumb, as you can see, is not moving anywhere off of this. It has the deep texturing, and it's like this on the white one as well. They're both like that. I'll show you this one right here. As you can see, they are both massively got the the actual deep cuts in them. You know, while I got the white one out, let's just go ahead and do the thumb as well. And yeah, man, that one's hard. Okay. So yeah, this needs to be broke in. That's all it is. But yeah, these are sweet. God bless it, I love it. But pretty much they've got these deep cuts in here, so if your hand gets, you know, if it gets wet, you got that nice grip on there. And just to be honest with you, I'm going to move over to the white one just so you can actually see how deep these cuts are. I mean, these things are, it has definitely got some traction on there. So you do have ambidextrous on your pocket clip. The retention on that is really good. As you see it spring there, really good retention. I'm sitting here looking at the blade, and you know you've got really good quality and it looks really good when your blade sits right dead center in your knife. Look at that. That joker is dead center in there. I like that. That's good quality. That's quality made. It's got your inner lock. They both have that, which is right here. So that's to push it over to the side, to fold it down, and that's just as smooth as it can be. It has a looks like a very robust inner lining for the locking mechanism on there. And the more I'm doing this flipping, as you notice, this is starting to kind of break in a little bit. God, these are beautiful. I just can't get over it. They do have a 3.26 blade on them. So as I do on all my knives, yeah, there's no wobble. There's nothing on that one. Let's try the black one. No wobble, nothing on that. Those are really nice. So go back here. They are They have your reversible clip. So, as I said, ambidextrous. It does goes in your pocket, tip down. They weigh, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember what they said, it's just barely over 6 ounces, like 6.1 ounces is what it is. And I mean, they've got a little bit of weight to them, but it's, my finger's gotten slick because it's got oil on it. But it's balanced. It's a really good balanced knife. I mean, that one, I mean, it's really, really nice. I mean, as far as, it's a little heavy on the end, but I mean, I like them. But yeah, I mean, the clip has really good retention. The clip on both of them has really good retention on them. So if you have this on, you know, in your pocket, on a tactical backpack, anything like that, they're not going anywhere. They're staying put. So, and then you do have your little eyelet through here if you want to attach a lanyard to it. Honestly, I don't. I just, because they stay in my pocket. I use them in my pocket, and that's what I use them for. But these things would be awesome for fishing. I just don't know. Because the Damascus is so pretty. But hey, if you're buying a pocket knife, use it. I mean, that's why I've got some that I don't. They're just lookers, but in a pinch, if I have to, I will use them. Because, you know, pocket knives are tools, and that's what they're used for. But hey, if you are a knife snob like I am, there's some I won't use, but you know what? I'll probably still use these. Just, I would love to have them just to carry around with me because they're so beautiful. This one's going to take a little bit. I might need to oil it up a little bit. The black one does deploy a whole lot better. I mean, that just flips right out. I think it's just something. I think this just needs to be worked because the more I'm working it right there, and like I said, I do have some oil on my finger, but the thumb release on it is really good. And the more I'm working this right now, just doing this back and forth, and sometimes you have to do these on brand new knives. You just have to work them back and forth. So, but yeah, those are nice. I mean, get that. Oh, my finger keeps sliding off of it. But yeah, that's beautiful. I like it. Seeing if I see anything in there that might be jamming it, but I don't see anything. Everything looks good there. So, hey, let's go do a cut test. I can't wait to do this because I want to see how this is. So, first off, we got the black one. We're doing our paper test. So here we go. And it cuts. And it shaves extremely well. And to the white one. Cuts it. Oh. Paper rolled on me. Look at that. Just cuts right off of there, y'all. Well, the paper test works, so that usually breaks a knife if you don't know if it cut or not. So here we're back. We've got the my rope here, and as always, safety first, cut away. And that one kind of slid a little bit, and there we go. I think the black one's just a tad bit sharper from the factory. Let's see. Yeah, it is. I think it's just a little bit sharper. Trying to take a look here and see if I see anything. And no, I mean, I'm not seeing any rolls or anything like that. I mean, the blade looks really good. It's got a nice edge on it. Which a lot, you know, most knives, it's usually like right here on the end where it has a little dullness, or right here at the curve sometimes. But I mean, guys, I mean, it's doing its job. I mean, it's cutting. So, and that there, see, I started right here instead of back here and went through it with no problem. So, Cvlife. Check them out. Like I said, you know, I did not buy these. They sent these to me to do a review on them, and I'm happy that they did. Hey, I'm gonna say I'll give them. Yeah, these are SEMO-MAC or SEMO-MAC approved. That's just all there is to it, and they're beautiful. They are extremely beautiful. So what I'll do, y'all want to check these out? I will put a link down in my description, and I'll also put it in the comment, so y'all can take a look at these. If y'all decide that y'all like them, order them, pick them up, because they're awesome. I mean, you can't have too many knives. Get as many as you want. That's the way I say. I mean, if you can do it, do it. You know, some of the stuff that came in these, I didn't go over it, but they do give you a nice little microfiber cloth. You do have some literature. Both of them came like that, but they came packed really well. And like I said, I'd like to say thank you, Cvlife, for bringing these and sending these out to me and getting them to me really fast. So yeah, they pass on my part. So with that being said, this is another video that just got wrapped up. And as always, everyone, and I truly mean this, be kind. And I hope that you have a great day. And this is SEMO-MAC, and I'm out.